Nothing is once again making headlines, and this time, it's not just about smartphones. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, has shared some exciting updates straight from the SXSW London stage. While thanking the session host Lucy Hedges, he offered valuable insight into how the company continues to defy industry norms and shape its identity by doing things differently. According to Pei, Nothing doesn't believe in copy-pasting features or filling its products with corporate fluff. Instead, the brand focuses on bold design, honest community co-creation, and the belief that technology should feel refreshingly different. This means Nothing Phone 3 is set to surpass all expectations, with Carl Pei doubling down on the brand's core values. If their commitment to breaking the rules is anything to go by, Nothing Phone 3 might just be the most standout device of the year. This philosophy appears to be at the heart of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. While Pei didn't mention it directly, the direction and tone of his talk heavily hint at the kind of innovation fans can expect from the company's next smartphone. Nothing's design-first mindset has already helped it carve out a unique space in a saturated market, and the anticipation for Phone 3 only continues to grow. With each iteration, the company has made thoughtful design choices, and if this pattern continues, we can expect the Phone 3 to elevate the experience even further, possibly with more advanced AI features, a refined interface, and a bolder design language. So here's a question worth asking. What do you want to see in the Nothing Phone 3 that truly breaks the mold? Feel free to share below. You can also join our Telegram channel for leaks. The link is available in the description. But that's not all. Carl Pei also made a major reveal during his session that Nothing is entering a brand new product category. The company's first over-ear headphones, called Nothing Headphone 1, set to launch on July 1st along with Nothing Phone 3. While specific details weren't disclosed, this marks a significant step for the brand. Known for its minimal design and transparent aesthetics, it's safe to assume that the upcoming headphones will carry the same visual appearance. More importantly, they represent Nothing's commitment to leveling up its audio game in 2025. The introduction of Nothing Headphone 1 suggests that the brand is expanding with purpose, not just adding products for the sake of it. Nothing is gradually building an ecosystem of Nothing products, similar to Apple. With a strong foundation in smartphone design and a clear identity, Nothing's move into audio feels like a natural extension. If these headphones can match the innovation and distinctiveness of its phones, we could be looking at one of the most interesting audio products of the year. In summary, Carl Pei's appearance at SXSW London wasn't just a talk. It was a statement. Nothing continues to push boundaries with a bold vision, a community-driven approach in the smartphone industry. Whether it's the highly anticipated Phone 3 or the new Headphone 1, the brand is proving that different is not only possible, it's powerful. What are your thoughts about the Nothing Phone 3 and Headphone 1? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.